we are. We're down in Lasal Creek. We came down here to explore some old mines that I heard about. Looks like this is probably where they lived. We've got the root cellar here, and back there it was what looked like the remains of a chicken coop. We have found one mine. It wasn't really too accessible, but hopefully we can find some other cool ones. Oh, look at this house.
We can get some mail delivered down here. We can get some water drops. All this could be ours.
Quite the location. Well, here we are. There's a mine there. Of course, it's locked off. You shouldn't go in. It's very dangerous. I think we're just going to continue and see how far this road goes. It's pretty cool in here. Right next to Lasal Creek. Pretty idyllic. Well, here we are. We're at the end of the road, and we're going to go explore these this big structure. Might have been like a processing plant across the creek. Can you fall in for comic effect?
I don't know. Do I get a bump? Do I get a pay bump?
Yeah, totally. Woo! Whoa. This is a cool filming location. There's some rickety ass stairs up there. Oh, that might be a mine. An adit thing. How do you even get up there? Or do you think that's just a natural cave?
Boy, I don't know.
Whoa, cool. They put a little tunnel through there. Maybe that's how they got to those other buildings. Oh, we got some warnings. These mines have been abandoned for over a century. Load-bearing structural components may fail without warning, leading to deadly rock falls or entombment by cave-ins. Scary word, entombment. Some passages contain multiple levels with unsurvivable vertical drops, where rescue may be difficult, if not impossible. Going through a tunnel. It's a short tunnel here to the other side. Wonder what this was. Just somebody's bunk room or something. This is pretty cool. I heard about this from my old roommate. She had been up here and explored these mines, but it just took a while for me to get up here. Ooh. Where's my light? Doesn't Doesn't seem to be anything. Maybe that was a chicken coop.
Chicken coop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's a bigger building. Maybe this was kind of the main residence and cookhouse. I wonder how many guys they had living here at one time. Well, folks, that's the mine. Thanks for joining along with us, and we'll see you in the next video.